There are really only two main concerns you have when you're cross-cutting pieces at the table saw. One, you want to make sure you keep things square, and two, you want to get your pieces to the same length. Now the old clamp a stop block to your miter gauge fence solves that problem, but if you've ever run into the issue of having to cut multiple pieces at the same time, you know where this tip comes into play. It's been sent in by Harold Ebeltrap from Potter, Wisconsin. It's a little bit more involved, but I think you can see the genius here. Now, what the stop block involves is just a standard flip stop arrangement so that when I have it set in place on the miter gauge, if I need to cut another piece at a different length or just square up the end of a longer piece, I can flip the stop out of the way and do all the cuts without losing my setting. But where this one really shines is here on the back side of the stop. Because what I have going on here is a carriage bolt that passes through the front onto the back where it engages with a washer and a knob. That applies some pressure to this piece of hardboard and a little heel down at the bottom edge. That's your built-in clamp. Now when I set it in place on my miter gauge, a little twist of the knob locks that stop in place. Now I'm not tying up an extra clamp or having the awkwardness of having a bulky clamp assembly here that can get in the way while you're working. So if you're looking for a handy upgrade for your table saw and cross-cutting needs, give this little flip stop a try.